In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate project on CapCut. Duplicating is perfect when you want to experiment, create alternate versions, or reuse a layout without risking your original edit. The process is quick and consistent across the desktop app, mobile app, and web editor. Start by opening CapCut. Give it a moment to load your recent work, especially if your projects are saved to the cloud. If you're moving between devices, make sure you're online so all media can sync before you continue. This avoids missing files in the copy. Next, go to your Projects area. On mobile, it may appear as Projects, My Projects, or Drafts. On desktop and web, look for Projects in the sidebar or top navigation. If you use Team Workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct space so you duplicate the right file and keep everything organized. Find the project you want to copy. Confirm it's the correct one by checking the name, thumbnail, or aspect ratio. Instead of opening the timeline, locate the three-dot menu on the project tile. On mobile, you might need to tap and hold the project to reveal options. On desktop and web, the three dots usually sit at a corner of the thumbnail. Click that menu to open the actions list. Choose Duplicate. Sometimes it's labeled Make a Copy, but it does the same thing. CapCut will create a new project in the same location, typically adding copy or a number to the name. Large projects can take a moment to duplicate. If you're using cloud storage, wait for the sync to finish before jumping in, so every asset is ready in the new file. Your duplicate is now ready to edit. Open it and make your changes freely, knowing the original stays untouched. This is great for testing different color grades, trying alternative music cuts, or preparing platform-specific versions like vertical and widescreen. If any clip shows as missing, it usually means the asset isn't on the current device. Reconnect to the internet or relink the file so the timeline updates correctly. For tidy project management, consider a clear naming pattern like version 2 or platform variant, and refresh your project list if you don't see the copy immediately. Everything in your timeline, clips, effects, keyframes, and captions comes along with the duplicate, giving you an identical starting point with zero risk to your original.